Here's my demo environment that is a multi-entity healthcare company. So here at the top level, you see we are at the top level of Goodway Health Group. And the top level does not have a name, it is just the top level. So you're really seeing every single entity within. So we've got 100 Accord Health, 200 Union Health, 300 Sterling Healthcare, 400 Valley Health System, and 500 for the holdings. Now, we could dive into each entity and take a look at those reports individually. However, we do have a consolidated top level general dashboard to view. This has our consolidated profit and loss for all entities. Now, if I'm still wondering, how is just one entity doing? I can use my locations and entities filter to take a look at that. So if we're taking a look at 100 Accord Health, all I would do is click that 100 Accord Health and apply the filter. Now it repopulates my data with only locations in 100 Accord Health. So we see we've got Springfield, Riverside, and Accord Health All. So very neat, very great to see that you can get that on that granularity level. In addition, we can even go furthermore and pick a department out of this entity and say, all right, we want to see what wellness services gross profit has been. So we take this and we go ahead and apply it. 200 wellness services. Looks like they're doing pretty great. Now, if we go ahead and switch dashboards to the role-based controller dashboard, we'll take a look at an expense summary by department. Now, don't get too overwhelmed. There are a lot of key KPIs on here, or key performance indicators. However, you can customize these and we can configure them to your liking. In addition, we can configure and customize the conditional formatting to your liking. If you see here, this means that it's greater than 2000. If you hover over the conditional formatting, means it's greater than 10,000. And as we see, we don't see any green on here, unfortunately, but we can always customize that for you. So as you see, this is an expense summary by department, and this is for 100 Accord Health. So if I wanted to go to all operating locations, not just what's in 100 Accord Health, this is a location group, I would go ahead and hit apply. And I still get that granularity on each department for all operating locations. I am power user status right now. And so I do have the ability to go ahead and select whichever entity and location I please. However, with restrictions and customizable dashboards and permissions set, you can ensure that everyone in your organization is only able to view financial data as it relates to that individual. So if I am only in the 100 Accord Health entity, this is all I would see. I would not have the option to go ahead and filter more, unless there were specific locations in that entity, like we saw Springfield was within that entity. Then I would have access to Springfield. So we want to make sure that everyone only has data that is visible to them, that is pertinent to them. Connect with one of our growth enablement experts here at BrainCell to learn more.